kids, so you're probably wondering why we have leaves here. It's because we're going to put the leaves on a window. A hurricane called Milton is coming. And if you live in Florida, but you don't have to, but it's only for Florida area. Anyway, it's coming at 180 miles per hour and a Cat 4 hurricane. So you better take some shelter or get your pants off the boards because it's going to cause major flooding higher than 10 feet. So that's about as tall as taller than my kitchen roof. So you better get ready. And so, besides that, that's a car, sorry. You can look for some insects. How about up there? Beaver. Isn't that amazing? Look how tall the tree is. Because that's the tree I filmed from. That tree right there. Where in the other YouTube videos. That's where I took it from. That tree right there where I used it in my tree video. That's where I filmed it. Right there. I'm in front yard, so. Oh, we'll go down. Alright. Whoa. I saw a moth really like insect, but you can't see it still. So kids, we're gonna go dark. There's an insect somewhere around here. Oh well. Oh, moth. You see it? You see it? There he is. This kid's called camouflage. It's being in your surroundings, see? Oh, Rita. Mind you, we can fly so you can see him. Yeah? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Okay, there he goes. Oh. Wait, kids, I might not be able to look at the camera because it might distract me. So I'm going to look out of the tablet to see if I can find him. Wait, you can call him, I see you. Fine. And he's not. Oh, look at it. So, kids, I just want to warn you about the Hurricane Milton. So, kids, I hope that you'll be protected from the hurricane safely. So, kids, I hope you have a wonderful evening. P.S. I'm happy. Bye.